What's going on, YouTube? In this video, I want to talk about how these first 10 days of Q4 have gone. There's been many things going on, a lot of exciting things too. I just want to get you guys all caught up. So let's get into it. Welcome back. If you're new to this channel, my name is Jake Diego, and on this channel, I talk about ways you can improve your Amazon business, some personal development things, and also share some goals with you guys. Before I get into everything today, let me start off by apologizing. I haven't been doing too well with the 3 videos a week, as my banner states, wherever it is. Just been overloaded. Although it's an excuse, we put up the house to sell. The house sold in two days. Then the inspection report came back. Horrible. Got plenty of stuff to do, drywall to cut out. We purposely left the shed shut so that, people wouldn't faster. Anyways, just sweeping it out, and the home inspection is in less than an hour, 58 minutes. What a shit show. I gotta get these scooters out. Water softeners to replace, and it's been a little wild. But again, that's an excuse. And I really appreciate everybody checking out the channel. Shout out to some of the recent subscribers. Jocelyn Perez, what's up? Nikia Martinez, Mac Daddy Kenzie, how you doing? Jason Cox, a fellow ninja. Rose Ann Melabrigo. So thank you guys. I know there's several others of you, but every video I'm just going to kind of throw in a few of there. So thank you. And, in the big scheme of things, seriously, if you have any questions, comment down below. Shoot me a DM on Instagram. Email me at iytraining@gmail.com. I will get back to you. If I don't know the answer, I'll find somebody that does. Okay? So it's just been great because this whole thing 5 months ago, I would say I had about 26 to 29 subs. And now, we're almost at 200. So thank you. Thank you. Thank you. I really appreciate it. So getting into everything. We are at day 10 of Q4. Now, I don't know what the hype toys are, but I do know a couple things. People buy clothing as presents for Christmas. So I've been going hard at Ross, at Marshall's, at Burlington, anywhere that sells clothes. For hype toys, again, I don't know, so I'm doing a little dabbling. Last year, Fortnite, Monopoly Millennial Edition, some Funko Pops, and Jurassic Park. So we'll see what this year brings. I can't, I don't know much on the hype toys yet, but I do know people buy clothes. So get out there, do it what you can. Now, if you don't know how many items you need to source a week to meet your goal, definitely check out my video on 10 weeks to the FBA deadline. That'll help you calculate what you need to do. For me, it's 850 units a week, but we've been doing awful. In fact, the goal is the 850, but we realized that instead of using the created by date, we're using the updated date. So I'll include a little clip here about that. We were using the last updated column when the procedure and the right way to do it is to use the created on column. So instead of the numbers that we've been showing, these are the numbers for last week and the week before. So we have some work to do. The good news, though, is we are aware of it. We're working on it, but it just means that we got to work that much harder. So there's a lot of work to do this Q4, a lot of work. We've essentially gone from about 1.5 days of sourcing in the store to 3 days a week sourcing in the store, which means, there's a lot of work to do, but it's totally worth it. So what I'm in the works of doing right now is planning a route through like Ohio and Indiana. Still working out the details there, but that's the retail arbitrage situation. When it comes to the online arbitrage situation, the virtual assistants are sourcing, reviewing, purchasing, getting together, creating shipments and receipts and such for about $1,000 a day spend on those items. So between everything, we're doing all right. I'll definitely have some sales charts here during the video. I hope that you're getting it. Q4 is the time of the year to make your money. That's when we make a whole lot of our money. I don't know if you've seen in my past videos, but there's this thing I got called the September rule, which essentially means from January to September, your revenue will double October through December as long as you're doing it hard and going big. But there'll be more videos on this on Q4, and I hope to share some of the things that I'm doing and get into a lot of the specifics because I think that's where the value lies. again, if you have any questions or you just want to say, hey, what's up, comment down below.